Hi students, here is the assessment of skills exercise that we did in class today. I'm going to go over the answers with you right now. Okay, let me put myself in the corner. And the first part asks you to circle the subject of the sentence and underline the verb. And here's the example. So I'm going to try to draw. Let's see if I can make this work. I want to draw. I'll just do this. Okay, so in the sentence, Ginger supports students. It's a very simple sentence. There are only 3 words. One of the words is the subject, one of the words is the verb, and one of the words is the object. So Ginger is the subject. It comes before the verb, so we're going to circle it. Ah, it worked. There we go. Ginger is the subject. And they ask you to circle the subject. They also ask you to underline the verb. In this sentence, supports is the verb. I'm underlining it. I can tell it's a verb because it changes when the time changes in the sentence. So if this were in the past, it would say Ginger supported students. The word that changes is the verb supported. And if this were in the future, the verb would change to Ginger will support students. See how that changes? That shows you where the verb is. Okay, let's try these sentences. His job has enticing benefits. Do you want to change this sentence to the past to find the verb? Okay, past, this is past. His job had enticing benefits. The only word that changes in this sentence is had. So we're going to underline that. There is the verb. Enticing is not a verb. It's an adjective. It's tricky, I know. It's describing benefits, enticing benefits. You can take it out and the sentence still makes sense. His job has benefits, but you can't take the verb out. Nope, don't take the verb out, please. Okay, now, has is the verb. So what has? When we look for the subject, we say what has? And the answer is his job. So I'm circling his job. All right, number 2, we're going to put it in the past. I admire his perseverance changes to I admired his perseverance. Ah, there's the verb admire. It changed. All right, now who or what admires? I admire. So that's the subject. I'm circling I. You see how this works? You know what perseverance means? It means continuing, the ability to keep going. Perseverance. All right, number 3, learning to code is challenging. Oh my gosh, look at, we have a to code, we have a challenging. Those look like verbs. They all look like verbs. Verb, 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 verb. No, no, no. There's only one tiny verb in this sentence. And it's, let's see, let's do our test. We'll change it to the past. Learning to code was challenging. I took a class, it's over now. Learning to code was challenging. There's the verb. It's tiny, it's the be verb. Nothing else in there is the verb. Don't be fooled. All right, so who or what is challenging? And you say, oh, it's a what? Learning to code. Oh, that's a thing. That's a gerund subject. My favorite, gerund subject. And what is challenging? Challenging is an adjective, even though it has an ing. It's like enticing, challenging. Those are adjectives. Oh, it's so complicated, but it's so fun and cool, isn't it? All right, number 4, my accounting class seems easy. Can you put that into the past tense? Let me hear you. Ah, you changed seems to seemed. All right, you're right. There's the verb. Now, who or what seems? Ah, my accounting class seems. There's the subject. Some people would say that just class is the subject and these are adjectives, but you know, it's a whole thing, right? My accounting class. It's not any accounting class. It's my accounting class. So I count it as the subject. And what's easy? Easy is describing how the class is, so it's an adjective. All right, number 5. Again, I'm going to ask you to change this to the past. Okay, what changed? We are developing changes to we were developing or we developed, right? we developed would be the past tense of this present progressive verb. So there's the verb. If you change we're developing to we developed when you put it in the past, that whole thing is the present progressive, right? Or the present continuous. Alrighty, to find the subject, let's say who or what is developing, and the answer is we. There it is. Circle the subject. All right, a new sense of confidence. There's the noun complement. All righty, we're cruising. One more. He is thrilled about meeting them. How many verbs are in here? Guess what? This is the only verb, is. Can you believe it? Well, let's check. He was thrilled about meeting them. He is. He will be thrilled about meeting them. The only word that's changing in this sentence when we change the time is. So that's the verb. Who or what is? He is. What is this? It's an adjective. What is this? It's a gerund phrase. It's a preposition plus gerund phrase. Oh my gosh, we'll learn about that in Unit 10. Unit 10 in our grammar book. We're headed that way. Okay, so we're cruising along. Rewrite this sentence in the present progressive verb tense. Rewrite this sentence in the present progressive verb tense. Present progressive. Do we see an example of present progressive up above? Present continuous, present progressive. How about that right there? Yeah, that's it. Yep. Okay, so there's our model. Now, what are we going to write? Hopefully, I'll be able to type here. Are they going to let me type? I don't want to draw anymore. I want to type. Let's see. No. Draw. Certainly, they're going to let me type. Type. I want to type. Insert. Maybe that's it. You think that will work? No, that's not it. Home. Somebody let me type here. Oh my goodness, maybe this is it. Are you going to let me type? Oh, maybe. Let's see. Julia. I got to type. Julia. We can keep the subject the same. The subject doesn't change, just the verb changes. Julia waited to talk to her. Where's the verb? Waited, right? We're changing it to the present progressive. So Julia singular, Julia is. Where's the progressive? Waiting. Julia is waiting to talk to her. Okay. To talk is an infinitive and preposition plus object. All righty. We're almost done. Isn't this fun though? I like teaching like this. All right, last one. Rewrite this sentence in the present perfect verb tense. Present perfect. Has plus past participle, or have plus past participle. Is that it? Do you remember? Present perfect. I love the present perfect verb tense. Okay, subject is the same. Simone. All right, took. Took's the verb, right? Took, to take, to will, take. So rewrite this sentence in the present perfect. Simone singular, so are we going to use has or have? Has or have? What do you think? Has or have? Has. Now took, what's the past participle of took? We have take, took, taken, right? Taken is the past participle. Simone has taken, and the rest is the same. Many math classes. Yes, we're done. All right, 9 minutes later, we have mastered the assessment of skills. I hope this was helpful. This is going to be more of what you're going to do in your editing homework. So good practice. I'll see you around. Okay, see you in the next video, or see you in class. Bye.